In today's digital age, international fund transfers have become a seamless process, especially with SWIFT transfers via net banking. SWIFT, or Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, enables secure communication between banks globally. Through net banking, users can initiate a SWIFT transfer from the comfort of home without visiting the bank branch. To begin, log into your internet banking account and navigate to the International Transfers or Overseas Remittance section. Add a beneficiary by entering their full name, SWIFT or BIC code, IBAN or account number, beneficiary bank name and address. You'll also be required to mention the purpose of remittance selected from RBI-approved codes such as import, education, investment, and so on. Now let's explore 6 crucial lesser-known insights. Real-time transfer tracking via UETR. Every SWIFT transfer generates a unique end-to-end transaction reference, or UETR, which is visible in your banking dashboard. This allows you to track your international payment in real time without needing to contact your bank. Multi-currency conversion at source. Some Indian banks like ICICI and HDFC offer a convert before you send feature. This locks Forex rates at initiation, avoiding fluctuation risks mid-transfer. Digital verification of KYC. For new beneficiaries, net banking systems now integrate instant KYC validation using DigiLocker and PAN Aadhaar verification. This reduces processing delays caused by manual verification. Built-in SWIFT code checker. Many banks like SBI, Axis, and Kotak have embedded SWIFT code validators. If the entered code is incorrect or obsolete, you'll receive an alert instantly to avoid failed transfers. When selecting between Shay, Ben, or Hour charges, your net banking portal now estimates exact fees and delivery timelines before confirming the transfer. Compliance auto-filing. RBI mandates filing Form A2 for remittances. With updated systems, banks like Yes Bank and IndusInd automatically file Form A2 digitally once the transfer is initiated. No manual upload needed. Always ensure that the receiving bank accepts international SWIFT transfers. Some digital-only banks abroad do not participate in SWIFT, which can lead to delays or refunds. For country-wise bank lists and accepted codes, refer to www.swift.com, www.rbi.org.in, and your specific bank's International Transfer Help section.